Pancreatic cancer covers a number of different cancers that arise from different parts of the pancreas. However, the most common type of pancreatic cancer is what is called pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma, PDAC, which accounts for about 90% of all pancreatic cancers. There are other types of pancreatic cancer arising from other cell types, tumors such as adenocarcinoma, pancreaticoblastoma, and neuroendocrine tumors, or NETs, that produce hormones such as gastrin. It's important to know what type of pancreatic cancer someone has so that their oncologist and their other healthcare providers can decide how best to treat the cancer. Each year, about 6,000 Canadians are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and of those, about 5,300 will die each year. There are slightly more men affected than women, and the data in Canada are very similar to those in the United States, where about 60,000 people are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer every year. In the United States, it's about the 10th or 11th most common cancer, but it is actually the third leading cause of cancer mortality. And the reason for this is that pancreatic cancer is usually diagnosed late. It often does not produce any symptoms until it has spread through the pancreas. And in fact, in about 50% of people, the cancer has spread beyond the pancreas at the time of diagnosis. The result is that the 5-year survival rates are only about 10% for pancreatic cancer. In deciding how best to treat pancreatic cancer, it's important to know what the pancreas actually is and what it does, because this is important to ensure that appropriate treatment and nutritional support is provided. The pancreas is actually quite a small organ. It's located in the upper part of the abdomen towards the back, and it's only about 6 inches long, weighing about 3 or 4 ounces. It is, however, a very important organ, and it has 2 major functions. It has what's called an endocrine function. That is, it secretes hormones such as insulin and glucagon that control the body's blood sugar levels and carbohydrate metabolism. And it also has what's called an exocrine function. That is, it secretes digestive enzymes as well as water and bicarbonate that are produced by little clusters of cells, what are called sacs, or an acinus is a little sac, and these acini produce digestive enzymes, and the ducts, which then collect the secretions, also produce water and bicarbonate that are then transported along the pancreatic duct, joining the bile duct before they're released into the upper part of the small intestine, or duodenum, where they mix with food and help with digestion. The result of this is that any disease, and particularly pancreatic cancer that affects the pancreas, can affect digestion, and it can therefore affect people's nutritional status.